Ya el 2010 esta gráfica, esta cinemática igual, era bacán. Animaciones bien hechitas, aunque las caritas eran medio raras. Bien ahí un poco tipo zombie.
I have General Flag on VTC, sir.
Sir, we are in and operational.
Colonel, we've been going over your battle plan and we're a little concerned.
What is it that concerns you?
Boys in Langley tell me that between 100 and 350 Al-Qaeda are preparing to bring the fight to us. Not to mention the probability of high-value targets moving through the area. Now, if they make it into Pakistan, our hands are tied.
Those numbers are incorrect, sir. Our intel shows the resistance is much higher. Possibly more than 1,000.
Well, if that's the situation, it's even more vital to move now. We want boots on the ground in 24 hours.
We have Tier 1 AFO teams inserting into the valley now, sir. They've already provided us with valuable intel on enemy positions in the surrounding mountains.
And that's
Sir.
But I want the 10th Motown, the Rangers, and the 187th in this fight ASAP.
Sir, AFO is
ASAP.
to identify and destroy enemy targets
As
with
soon
airstrikes.
as
Then we'll send in
possible.
the troops to prevent any escape into Pakistan.
Colonel,
Ahí atrás
you're not here,
imágenes así
and I want
como
to be very clear
reales.
on this point. I am giving you
Toda la
24 hours to get our
parafernalia
forces into that valley.
en grupística,
24 hours.
propaganda bélica.
We're done here.
Yeah, give me more, give me more.
Where are we with the AFO teams?
Wolfpack is expected to be in position within the hour. They're riding into the AO now.
Que chucha la arruga ese bueno en la cara, como que estaba
Wolfpack likes to move fast.
contra el viento.
Dusty Panther, we are approaching the safe house. Mission is a go.
Roger, Panther.
No cinemática de intro para esta
Good work, Deuce.
etapa.
We ready to roll?
Let's roll.
Tariq says we should be clear through Menjawar, but he said the Taliban are moving into the hills.
Ok,
Mission is
super
to get
declaration.
The route is loaded
Vamos.
with GPSs. Looks like we got some squirrely terrain ahead, so eyes
Go, go,
open.
go.
If something doesn't
In
look right,
adventure.
Roger.
Roger.
questions, gentlemen?
Go, go, go in
Okay,
an
let's rock and roll.
adventure.
Vegas and I are splitting off
Ya,
south of the
po.
Wadi.
Chop, chop.
Roger. See you on the other
Tiempo
side.
premia.
Have a good one.
Vamos. Vamos, barbudos. Go, go. On. Off.
Deuce, too close.
On. Wow. Chao, compadre. Que les vaya bien. Eso. ¡Uy!
Why don't you cover our movement
Correcto.
for a while? Stay in
Está
it.
probando la técnica de deslizarse, pero es me culera la wea.
Anything, guys, make sure you're in hold.
Ponga la wea. Ya, vamos. No me distraigan por la chuchits. Wow. Oink. Checkpoint. Whoop.
Just trucks. Go slow, go soft. Go soft. Like that. Hold up, juice trucks. Go slow, go soft. Go soft. Like that. Stopping at 13. We're clear.
Right there.
Get on the gas.
Vamos.
Panther,
Esto había pasado un convoy
they were riding
con
low,
trocas.
full supplies and weapons. What's your recommendation? Let's find them, track them, and develop the situation.
Ah.
Bad guys.
Pam, 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 pam.
We're arriving at that village. Go south and approach Dusty. We'll go.
What? Oh. Fácil sacarse la rechuchita en este tipo de máquinas. Vamos, vamos. What?
We're near the checkpoint. Super quiet.
Super quiet. Estamos super quiet. Point.
We're here. Stashing ATVs. We're on foot for now. And we're on foot. Proceeding to north side of village to get eyes on the situation. Roger. We're just outside the poppy field. Once you have eyes on the compound, cover us. We're gonna cross to the wall. Make it fast. Those trucks were in a hurry. Get eyes on Panther in Vegas, near the compound wall.
¿Qué pasó?
Moving. Dusty, we gotta get in the tower. Dude's got eyes on the tower. Panther, you and Vegas are clear. Roger. Moving.
Moving.
Damn. Let's find a way inside the compound. Follow me.
No me queda otro compañero que seguirlo. Si estamos en una operación de equipo, ¿o no? Yes or not. Let's go. Vamos. Oye, pero weón, un par de balas nomás, po weón. Este weón le vacía todo el cargador a los pobres giles, culecos. Ya, avanza. Ya, pues, culiao. Si vos soy el...
Two guards, take your pick. I'll get the other guy.
Te voy a matar a este loco.
Clear. Double D, this place is crawling with Taliban. Maintain your noise discipline. We'll go, Panther. We're moving through the building, going upstairs. Look for us up top. Deuce, clear that building on the left. I'm going right. Watch it. They got a guy in the tower. Quickly and quietly put him down. Damn, I got another target. Look at that roof to your right.
Por ahí viene gente, ¿no? En la cepa. Y tú en la Nukits.
Clear. Clear.
¿Quién tiró una granada? Ah, de estos giles. Metiendo bulla a los putos.
Deuce, rally up.
Ya voy, bueno. Voy yendo. Ya, compadre, cierra la puerta.
Dusty, cover the door. Roger.
Ah,
This looks useful. Sure does. How's your Russian? How to say?
Russia.
If these are enemy positions, we're going to be real busy.
Busy.
Panther, things have changed. Looks like the enemy are in the mountains. There's a lot more of them. Roger.
Díganos algo que no sepamos.
Not advisable. The reality has changed. Plus, Task Force Rebel is going in tonight. That general's 9,000 miles away. He's calling an audible.
He doesn't want the Afghans. He wants our guys on the ground.
He needs to listen to the guys on the ground. It's find the bad guys, kill the bad guys. It doesn't work real well the other way around. Stall him.
Roger. I'll do what I can.
Yeah.
What do we got?
Whatever.
More bad guys to kill. Trucks are full of them. That's why we're here, ain't it? True. Let's move out. Grab that radio. Roger.
Oh, estornudo.
We're clear. Dusty, Deuce, continue on your route.
Espero que nadie lo haya escuchado en el
Expect company.
villorrio este.
Roger.
Vamos, compadre. ¿Está haciendo pipí? Que voy a ir parado frente al río.
Come on, D. I know the way out.
Ah, nos vamos. Vamos. Ya, compadre. La motito. Go. Se me escapó una granada, lo siento. Oh, no me subí a la moto, es tuyo. Nos fuimos. Oye, no, abre la puerta, pues weón. Vayan a estar un viejito ahí posando. Otro idiota armando la cagada que dejaste. Oh,
Jump left coming up.
oye, están cuáticas las pendientes en esta weá. Para no hacer la piel. Oh, el sacaero de chucha. Te encargo. Donde nos dirigimos ahora. Solo el.
Long way down. Stay to the left.
¡Ay! El hombre a cargo. ¿Sabe? ¡Ah! Concha la lora. El vértigo a full. No me llena agüita en la agua. Oh, coño. Taca, 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 taca. Qué música de fondo, mala.
Dusty, slow down. There's Taliban movement right in front of you. Luco, kick off the gas. Heather's got something. Dusty, get eyes on that village ahead. We're right above them. We take pot shots from here and we're blown. Have D take them out. D,
Okie dokie.
bear it out.
D.
Dusty, can you see that guy outside the hut?
82. Ya, acá hay un buen.
Wilco,
Um,
D, 600 meters. Nice shot.
Oh.
He's done. We got another target.
Hey, throw.
He's moving. You're gonna have to lead him.
Chao nomás.
Easy D. Kill shots, not quick shots.
Acá arriba tiene que estar este
Getting in the
culo.
tower.
Ese. Chao.
Shit. Eyes on the tower. He's moving at a good clip. Roger, I see him.
Ah,
Throw
yeah.
thumbs up. Deuce, the tower.
Ya voy ya. Por aquí.
Goodbye. Go check out that
Ay.
boat.
Excelente. Nos vamos. Go, go.
Bill D, back it up. We have eyes on the
Little
truck.
man Howard.
Deuce, let's move.
Dusty, you're gonna run right into them as you are.
It looks like they're making a pit stop. You're gonna mark the trucks to the IR beacons and continue to Clementine.
Vamos.
Nice. We get spotted and we're going hard, Panther. Roger
Oh.
that. Keep it quiet as long as you can. We don't want to compromise the mission.
Claro, esa es la idea. Siempre ha sido la idea.
We're on foot from here.
Ok.
Stay soft and watch your windows and doors.
Whatever. Vamos, compadre. Vamos, Dusty, Dusty.
Hold on. There's one truck and multiple targets. Let's move up.
Ya, compadre.
Don't jump the gun, Deuce. Let's wait for him to separate. Advancing. We're clear. They're gone. Take out the guy in the doorway. Clear. I'll mark the truck. Watch my six.
Just in case.
Panther, one truck marked, one bad guy dead. So far.
Nos vamos.
Roger, Dusty. Good luck. Likewise. Come on, D. One down, two to go. Don't count
Bien,
down
la
the bodies.
posición.
Just move quickly and we're out of here before they find him.
Esa es la idea, pues, ¿no? Ya, compadre.
Hold Deuce. Stay in the shadows and we can do this quietly. They don't need to know we're here.
Calla en bombín.
All right, we're clear.
Así
On the
es.
left.
Calladito, vamos por lo oscurito.
I got 2 targets. You take one, I got the other. Enemy down. Advancing.
Nice.
Deuce,
Sí.
I'm gonna get a bird's eye view. Hang on.
Oh, puto. ¿Verdad que yo no me
I
puedo
got
subir?
another truck 50 meters ahead on your 10 o'clock. You're clear. He's down. Yeah, you're clear. Place a beacon on the truck.
Poquito. Vamos.
Multi, you got company. Take out one, I got the other. Hurry right. Shoot. Now get out of that
Ahorita.
courtyard. Up you go.
Vamos. Que estoy medio gordito. No me puedo subir esta pared solo.
Move quick, Mickey, and stay quiet. We can do this without trouble.
Hey, here's some ammo.
Vale, un par de siempre tan paleteado. Hydration. Oh. Están los malos. Hay que esconderse de los malos. De los bandidos. De los pelafustanes.
Clear, move.
Mira, Chaguito. Ya no me pillan. A mí siempre me pillan. Y al buen, cágate de frío, le dice. Y el otro weón, pajareando. Allá voy. Despacito.
Got a guy out at 12. He's alone. He's done.
Oh, I know. ¿Cuántos culiados hay ahí? Déntrense para adentro. Oh, le dispararía al culiao. Así lo hago, que a la pura caga. Salen todos los guanes. Todos los locos,
Clear.
churos.
Work that truck and let's get out of here.
Todos los giles. Ya, vamos a ponerle la vuelta. ¡Rack!
Well done. Now get over here.
Pues ya voy por bueno. Voy más lento porque así. Tiempo a matar al buen que va a venir a entrar por
Stop
aquí.
right there, D.
Y
Hurry right. D, bust him.
sí, esta parte me acuerdo. A veces se repiten los mismos.
All good.
Linda la wea.
Well done. Let's move out. Come back.
Espérate, pues mierda. Vaya, se va adentro nomás usted, compañero. No venga para acá. Vaya a conversar con los amigos allá. Eso. Bueno, compadre. Ya vos. Lucho. No. Vamos. Que nos pille la detonación. Eso pasa por tener la Y al lado de la F.
Stay stealthy. We'll go back.
Aparte la Y en vez de la F, bueno. Cuidado. Ya. Dale, compadre. Dale nomás.
Clear. Move.
Si para allá vamos. Detrásito. Suyo. Mijo.
More targets. This ain't gonna be quiet. On you, D.
He's done.
¿Todos dan? ¿O hay algún culiao sorpresa aquí? Ya vas. Ch, por fin, weón.
You're done. Move it.
We're done. Ya. Ya, pues, ¿pa' dónde? En la esquinita creo que hay un weón.
This guy. Holy.
Dusty, give me a sit rep.
Pa, pa, pa.
15 to 25.
Ya, vámonos acá, weón.
Truck's marked with IR beacons. We're moving back to the ATV high site. Sounds good. No time to waste. Reaper 3-1 is in the air. We need to get to Clementine. Roger. D, step it up. 3 targets. No sneaking by these guys. On your D. Clear.
¿Este va a ayudar o qué? O sea, que ahí.
Let's go, D.
No, Mofway. Por donde mismo entramos. Ya, compadre. Para arriba. Eso, buena Lucho. Ya, obviamente usted es bacán, ya. Hágalo solo, ya. Sea bacán. Eso. Nos vamos. Oh, las motitos.
Panther, we are rolling.
Rolling, rolling,
Get on
rolling.
the gas. Next stop, Clementine.
Vamos a Clementine. Ah, con Chilalona. A volar, señores. Pam, pam, pam. Igual tan bacán los cerritos. Ule. Para su trail ahí, su camping. Uop. Obviamente no en esta temporada. Puro hielo, pura nieve, puro frío. ¿Qué pasó? Ah, con chica. Hijo de la Yola, avisa por dónde va. Ah, se me olvidan estas saltitos.
Slow down, D. We're here. Panther, we are at the OP.
Buena,
I have
loco.
eyes on you.
Llegamos, Choro. Gracias por ayudar en nada.
Deuce, need you to hide and booby trap the ATVs, and I'll provide the OP.
Bla, bla, bla. Welcome to Clementine.
Let's get set up. We're on foot from here.
Ya.